Today I want to give y'all a few updates about white trash and the S10 before we start the video. So white trash is actually getting this rear end put in it. We're going to rebuild this rear end. We're going to put new bearings and seals in it. And we're also going to put 4 10s in this. It's a 10 bolt out of a 2000 Camaro. So that's getting rebuilt and put in white trash. That way I can put this in the car and then keep the other one that's in it as a backup in case this one breaks. And I believe I might have to change some stuff over from that rear end to that rear end, since that's a 2000 and that one's out there a 94. Another update is about the S10. We got the S10 back from the muffler shop a couple weeks ago, and it's got full custom exhaust on it now. The exhaust is true duals, long tube headers, and the mufflers are Dynamax straight through mufflers. The truck isn't too loud or too quiet. Sounds pretty good. But today I wanted to take the bumper off of white trash and see why it's pushed up in the back. Probably need a new bumper. So I'm gonna take it off and see. So as I was talking about, you can see that the bumper from there, right there, it's pushed up right there. So I'm gonna take the bumper off and see if it's why it's like that. I also got some damage right here from the previous owner and some right there. This is all from the previous owner, did not do that. And do all that. So first you want to take your side markers out. Take that screw out and saw it back and it'll come right out. Do that for each side. So like we got a few tabs. Few of these tabs, one there, one there. So after pulling 6 tabs, only 3 survived. But that's no problem. Let's get some more. Got all of the tabs out. So now I believe we gotta remove the panel to get to the other tabs to bring the bumper out. So you got these tabs in here, or these nuts in here, one there and one there. Those have come out, and I believe they're on the other side too, and they're up in there. Now we're going to go ahead and take the taillights out, and then take that panel off. So for the panel, you got 4 nuts, one there, one here, one down in there, and then one down there. All the nuts are out for this panel. You kind of have to work it past the lock to get the panel off. There's also a nut right there. Right there. So that explains why the bumper was pushed up. Look right here. This is where it's pushed up at. And this right here is bent up. And it's not level with the whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is just take a hammer and beat that back down to its level. I might not need another bumper. I'm gonna put a bumper on there to see if it still is pushed up. I don't know if that right there is still bent up or what. So I might just get a new one. I might just get a new bumper. This one's pretty rough. So I believe I got it back level. Or I may just go ahead and buy me a new bumper from the junkyard, since that one is in a rough shape. So I'm just going to finish up cleaning this up. I'm not going to bore y'all with that. But that's how y'all remove a bumper and a panel on y'all Camaro. So got some big things coming for this car, like doing the rear end and trying to fix some cosmetic things with the car. Thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all learned something. Hope y'all have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.
We make the streams louder.